Curious how gonorrhea testing actually works? In this video, I'll walk you through what happens after you book your test, step by step. We'll cover what kind of sample you'll give, how labs detect the infection, and what your results mean. How are samples collected in the lab? Usually with a urine sample. Or for females, self-collected vaginal swab is another option. Once your sample is collected, the testing process begins. The main test that is run is called NAAT. What is NAAT testing? It looks for the genetic fingerprint of gonorrhea, and it works on both urine and swab samples. It has the highest sensitivity and specificity among non-culture testing methods. Results typically come back within 1 to 3 days. So how should you read your results? A positive NAAT means treatment is needed. A negative result usually means no infection. But if you were just exposed recently, you may need a follow-up test. Let's recap how that process works from start to finish. Collect a urine or swab sample, run the NAAT test, interpret results, and decide on treatment or follow-up if needed. LabCafe is the fastest, most trusted way to get tested for gonorrhea. Private, professional, and fast. Go to TheLabCafe.com today and get scheduled for your gonorrhea testing.